stop scrolling for a second? Most people think Amazon gadgets are just random tools you scroll past and forget, but in 2026, that's completely changed. Because some of these so-called crazy gadgets are actually solving problems you deal with every single day, just in ways you've probably never seen before. There's a whole world of hidden tech most people completely ignore. And today, we're breaking down 16 of the craziest Amazon gadgets that are actually totally worth buying in 2026. But here's the thing, the last few items on this list are on a completely different level, and you'll probably wish you had them sooner. So whatever you do, don't skip. We're starting right now. This is not just a flashlight. It's a wearable emergency lighting system that you can attach anywhere. On your wrist, your bike, your car, your bag, literally anywhere you need light. It's water resistant, so it works even in rough conditions without failing. And the battery life is insane, lasting up to 3 days on a single charge. So you're never actually stuck in the dark again, no matter where you are. This isn't just a light, it's emergency visibility you carry with you. Most toolkits feel messy, slow, and outdated, especially when you need precision work. This electric precision screwdriver completely changes that experience. It comes with a sleek alloy build, a smart OLED display, and even a built-in shadowless work light so you can see every detail clearly. Inside, you get 48 precision bits plus extra tools neatly stored in a magnetic pop-up case. So instead of struggling with manual screwdrivers and lost bits, you get a fully organized, professional-grade repair system in your hand. Underwater movement has always been limited, slow, and exhausting? Yeah, but this modular underwater scooter takes it to a completely different level. With dual jet motors, it pushes you at up to 2.3 meters per second. You can mount it, control it wirelessly, and use it for diving or surfing. It completely changes how you move underwater, almost like flying in water. It's compact, modular, and built for extreme performance users. This isn't swimming, it's underwater movement powered by pure tech. This is not an ordinary toothbrush. Meet Omni Foldable Toothbrush. It actually cleans itself after every use using an advanced self-cleaning system. So your brush stays hygienic without any extra effort from you. It also folds into a compact size, making it perfect for travel or storage. The battery lasts long, so you don't have to worry about constant charging. It's simple, portable, and surprisingly futuristic in everyday use. This isn't brushing, it's personal hygiene automation made effortless. Getting perfect alignment and leveling in real-world setups is usually frustrating and time-consuming, but this 360 degrees dual laser level completely simplifies that process. It comes with a smart LCD display that shows pressure, load, and battery status in real time. The 360 degrees bubble scale helps you get perfect alignment from any angle, while the dual laser system projects accurate lines across surfaces instantly. And the vacuum mount lets you attach it securely on multiple surfaces without slipping. This means guessing measurements or rechecking angles again and again. You get instant precision with professional-level accuracy in seconds. This is not just a keyboard. It's a complete 3-in-1 productivity system combining keyboard, touchpad, and stand. It instantly transforms your tablet into a laptop-like workstation in seconds. The compact foldable design makes it easy to carry anywhere without bulk. Backlit keys allow smooth use even in low light or nighttime work sessions. It's built for travel, remote work, and on-the-go productivity setups. This isn't typing, it's portable laptop functionality in your pocket. Most smart devices still rely on replacing old systems, but this one upgrades what you already have. This Fingerbot Plus is a tiny automation robot that physically presses your existing buttons and switches for you. Controlled through app, voice, or automation schedules, it works on almost anything. Lights, coffee machines, fans, switches, it turns everything into smart control. It installs easily and starts working instantly without complex setup. This isn't automation, it's intelligence added to your existing devices. Creative work usually requires multiple machines, complex setups, and expensive tools. This all-in-one 3D auto heat press completely simplifies that workflow. It supports auto heat pressing, sublimation, vacuum forming, DTF curing, and even craft baking in one modular system. The automation makes the process smoother, faster, and far more consistent compared to traditional manual presses. So now, using separate tools for every creative task, you get one powerful machine that handles the entire process in a single system. This is not just a regular air mattress. It's a fast inflating portable bed designed for home, travel, or guests. It inflates automatically in just 2 minutes with a built-in pump system. The structure is strong enough to support up to 550 pounds easily. It gives proper comfort and stability, not that cheap bouncy feeling. Perfect for camping, emergency sleep, or extra guests at home. This isn't a mattress, it's instant comfort anywhere you need it. Phones usually overheat during charging, especially when using wireless pads or navigation apps. This cooling phone holder completely fixes that problem. It combines wireless fast charging with semiconductor cooling technology that actively reduces device temperature. The vacuum absorption system keeps your phone locked in place on almost any surface, even while driving. And its compact design makes it easy to carry or reposition whenever needed. This means your phone slowing down due to heat, it stays cool, stable, and powered at the same time. This is not a normal neck fan. It's a stretchable 360-degree airflow cooling system designed like wearable AC. Air outlets adjust automatically to give full surround cooling. It runs silently, so you can use it anywhere without disturbance. The 5000 mAh battery gives long-lasting cooling for outdoor use. It's lightweight, portable, and perfect for heat situations. This isn't a fan, it's personal air conditioning you wear. Data security and speed are usually two things you don't get together in portable storage. Meet Twopan Pro. It's a high-speed 2 TB storage device with fingerprint security lock. It delivers transfer speeds up to 1050 megabytes per second for heavy files. It also works as a USB-C hub with charging and video output support. Built-in cooling keeps performance stable even during long usage. Your data stays secure, fast, and always accessible only to you. This isn't storage, it's a secure high-performance data system. Not every gadget is about performance, some are just built to calm your mind. Meet the Fidget Toy. It's a 3-in-1 gadget that works as a stress reliever, air freshener, and desk entertainment piece. It uses barrier grid animation to create moving visual effects when you rotate it. At the same time, it releases a light fragrance for a relaxing experience. It keeps your hands busy while also calming your mind during stress. Perfect for desk work, focus breaks, or just passing time in a satisfying way. You have something that keeps your hands engaged, and your mind relaxed at the same time. This is not an old tablet anymore. It transforms your old iPad into a fully functional smart display. You can use it as a photo frame, clock, weather display, or dashboard screen. It keeps charging your device while running continuously without interruption. It reduces e-waste by giving old devices a completely new purpose. Simple setup turns outdated tech into something useful again instantly. This isn't recycling, it's giving old tech a second life. Heat is one of those problems that never fully goes away, especially in small spaces or travel situations. This portable air conditioner mug takes a completely different approach. It's designed to reduce surrounding temperature by up to 7 degrees Celsius using compact cooling technology. You get 3 wind speed levels depending on how strong you want the airflow. And surprisingly, it still works as a normal drinking mug when needed, making it a dual-purpose gadget. Powered via USB-C, it's portable enough to carry anywhere. So instead of struggling with heat in tight spaces, you literally carry your own personal cooling zone with you. And that's a look at 16 of the craziest Amazon gadgets that are actually totally worth buying in 2026. Some of these are simple upgrades, and some genuinely feel like they belong in the future. Now the real question is, which one of these would actually make a difference in your daily life? Let me know in the comments. And if you want more videos like this, where we break down the coolest and most useful gadgets from around the internet, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Because trust me, there's a lot more hidden tech coming next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.